Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Probivet, bonjour, hola, and ciao to my foreign friends. And I'm sorry, but Barnabas insists on being part of the video. She is kind of a movie star, I guess, but there's no moving her. Today we're going to talk about this knife right here. It is a 3 5/8 inch Canoe, and it is made by Case. Look at the tank stamp there. It's a Case XX USA. And that would put that knife between 1965 and 1969. Just a beautiful, beautiful knife in fantastic condition. This knife is really, really in good condition. I'm so lucky to be able to get a hold of this knife. It is a 2-blade Canoe. Oh, look at the blade right there. Fantastic mirror shine on these old cases. If you look at the swedge in there. Nice swedge. Both sides. And there is your model number of 62131. 131 is the model number. And look, it's got a main spear point and a large secondary pin spear point, if you want to call it that. It's pretty big though. Look in here. Nicely mirror polished. Looks good down inside there. This is just a beautiful knife. Look at that. Couple little dings here. That's okay. This is genuine bone. Red bone. And it's not supposed to be a red bone knife. But that's definitely red bone. These canoes are called canoes because they look like a canoe, the way they raise up like that. These are awesome EDC knives. I mean, if you want a good EDC knife, the blades are larger and more robust. Look at the width on that than most of your 3.5-inch pocket knives. And that's really what they were designed for, is to be used in the trades and for hard use. And they just make a fantastic knife. So the kind of copperhead bolsters on this cover the tangs in the tip so that this is easily pocketable. And that's one of the nice advantages of a Canoe. It's very thin too, if you look at it. I just have come to really, really like these Canoes. They're just great for EDC. Get brass pins, brass liners, nickel silver bolsters, and nickel silver shield. I'll give you one more look at this blade. Awesome. Look at that. Wow. The edge. I mean, you're looking at a knife here that's about 55 years old, 55 years old. Whoever sharpened this knife, did a really good job. the mirror polish is so good on this knife, it wants to focus in on that rather than the edge. There you go. Whoever owned it just knew how to sharpen a knife. They didn't destroy the edge on it. Alright, just a quick video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Remember, you know the truth. It'll set you free. And thanks so much for watching the video. Bye.